Hyaluronic acid. What is it and how does it work? Think back to high school biology. You'll remember that humans are made up of cells, and those cells are made up of different building blocks, called organelles. Think mitochondria. The hyaluronic acid molecule is a major component of the extracellular matrix, which makes up the space between our cells. The hyaluronic acid molecule is most often found in the spaces between cells throughout our bodies. These spaces are called intercellular junctions, and they are very important in keeping organs, tissues, and cells together. In fact, you have a lot of hyaluronic acid in your skin, which keeps it healthy and strong. Like most other molecules, hyaluronic acid is also found within our cells. It serves many functions within your body, and perhaps one of the most important roles is promoting the immune system's ability to fight infection. Stay with us to know more about how hyaluronic acid works, but before that, hit the subscribe button if you like this video to never miss our new plan to help you boost your metabolism. Hyaluronic acid may also play a role in the formation and stabilization of blood clots. This can be a good thing if you've ever had to get stitches, but it also means that if there is too much hyaluronic acid, it can lead to excessive bleeding. The hyaluronic acid molecule is composed of two strong chains of sugar molecules, joined by a very weak bonding site. This feature makes the molecule flexible and stretchy. Hyaluronic acid has many uses within your body. It's found in skin, joints, muscles, and even in the vitreous jelly that fills the center of your eyeball, although it is not clear why this should be. When you were still in high school, you probably took biology class. You will remember that all animals are made out of cells, which contain the material known as DNA. DNA contains billions of intricately formed chemical units called bases. The hyaluronic acid molecule contains a large number of these units, which are known as nucleotides. Human beings have enormous amounts of hyaluronic acid floating around in their bodies, and that's what keeps us healthy and happy. It's not exactly clear what the molecule does. That's why it doesn't get more attention in high school biology class, but hyaluronic acid is certainly an important component of whatever it is that makes us human. Hyaluronic acid works in your body in many different ways. It acts like a lubricant to keep your joints and muscles moving, and it can also act as a shock absorber to provide acute pain relief. Your skin contains high amounts of hyaluronic acid, which gives you its youthful appearance and elasticity. The hyaluronic acid molecule is composed of two chains of molecules called polysaccharides. These polysaccharides join together to form a molecule that allows for the easy movement of liquid in your body. Hyaluronic acid is also found in your vitreous jelly, which keeps your eyes in place and helps them focus. Hyaluronic acid is also a component of the cellular material known as collagen, and it's one of the main building blocks or bone tissue. It also helps to keep your skin elastic and strong. Hyaluronic acid, an overview of how it works. How much do you know about the body? We'll bet not as much as you should. Your school teachers probably just told you that it was big and complex, but they probably didn't tell you just how intricate and complex it is. Hyaluronic acid is a polysaccharide, a molecule composed of multiple sugars that works in your body in many different ways. This substance is mainly found in the spaces between cells, which are known as intercellular junctions. These spaces serve many purposes within your body, including being a key part of the extracellular matrix, the material that keeps your organs and tissues in place. So, when one of your cells gets injured, it calls upon hyaluronic acid to help keep it together. This is beneficial because it helps the injured cell heal faster. If there's too much hyaluronic acid in your body, though, this can lead to an excess amount of hyaluronate being released into the bloodstream. If you have an excess amount of this substance in your blood, which can occur in people with certain medical conditions, it can form clots that block blood flow and cause a stroke. Hyaluronic acid also spends time inside your cells. It is a major component of the cellular material known as collagen, which gives you your skin's elasticity and strength. Hyaluronic acid also helps to keep your bones strong, and it contributes to the formation of new bone tissue. Unlike other polysaccharides, hyaluronic acid can be found in both soft tissue, like skin, and hard tissue, like bone. This is because it has two different properties. It is a lubricant when it comes into contact with fluid, but it is also strong and rigid when it isn't moving around. Hyaluronic acid is considered to be a glycosaminoglycan. A glycosaminoglycan is a molecule composed of multiple sugars combined with a type of nitrogen-based molecule known as an amino sugar. Some other examples of glycosaminoglycans include heparin and heparin sulfate. The hyaluronic acid molecule has both chains full of these sweet, sticky molecules. In fact, each of the two chains contains over 1,000 fatty acids that are all joined together to make up this long chain. The only thing that keeps them together is the chemical bond between two sugar molecules in the center, known as a beta-1,3 linkage. Hyaluronic acid is made by your cells, and it spends most of its time traveling between the cells. It plays an important role in keeping the cells in your body healthy, and so the amount of hyaluronic acid in your body is dependent on how well your cells are producing it. It's also very sensitive to other hormones present in your body, like estrogen and insulin. Hyaluronic acid plays a significant role within your joints. When you're walking or moving around, it keeps your joints lubricated so that they can function properly. This is why it is so common for people to experience joint pain when they're in the warm summer months. All of us have heard about hyaluronic acid in the context of skincare. Hyaluronic acid is a part of our skin, and it keeps our skin looking young and healthy. As mentioned above, hyaluronic acid is found in the vitreous jelly that fills our eyeballs and also keeps them functioning properly. This substance also helps to give our eyes their ability to focus, and it also prevents damage when we injure our corneas, the clear portion of your eye. Hyaluronic acid can be found in your joints as well. It is the component of your joint fluid that creates lubrication when your body parts move around. That's why it can help you to get through a long day without feeling stiff and sore. Besides keeping your joints oiled and working properly, hyaluronic acid also helps to keep your muscles functional. It provides a cushioning effect between cells, which allows them to work together easily. In addition, it also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to soothe the pain that you feel when one of your muscles gets injured. Hyaluronic acid can be found in many different areas of your body, including your skin, bones, joints, and muscles. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things about hyaluronic acid. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to let us know if this worked for you and how it affected your body. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism and lose more weight, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.